Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video we're gonna have a sneak peek of some of the new products from Trinity. These products that I will be sharing with you in this video will be available next week when the release goes live. And I'm excited to share this hot foiling plate called Clover background. And I just foiled it with all of the foils that I have in my stash. I use the foils from Spellbinders and the Glimmer hot foiling machine that you can see on screen here. After running it through my machine, you can see some of the projects here, and I will share the rest in another upcoming video. But I just love that hot foiling plate. I hope the camera is picking up how beautiful those clovers are. I also cut out of vellum this scalloped heart as well as the inside part. I will use that for my center of to like tuck my sentiment on top of. And this is also a new product that will be coming your way. This is a new Simply Sentimental Lucky, and I just love this fonts in the Simply Sentimental, so I'm really happy that we have another one. And if you haven't checked out the previous release Simply Sentimental like sets with stamps and coordinating dies, I highly recommend them. I use them on so many projects, and I know that the design team just love them. So go ahead and check that out. And by the way, I will not be able to link to any products that I use in this video except the previous release Sentimentals and this heart. The other products will be available next week, as I said. So here you can see how I went ahead and just created some dimension for my heart, and I will adhere the foiled panel down to our card base. This is a A2 size card base, and I had a lucky here. I hope the camera is picking it up that it's gold glitter cardstock. I just love that. And some white paper just to tie it in with our frame that I did around my card front there. So here is a sneak peek of that stamp set that will be coming your way. Hope the camera is picking up some of the goodies in this set. I will be heat embossing this on top of some black cardstock. That is just something I love to do. I love the look of heat embossed white on top of black cardstock. And a thing that I have been enjoying doing lately is just using a white pigment ink and then heat embossing that. So if I have some parts that didn't get embossing powder, that will show up as white even though I didn't emboss it. So I hope that makes sense. I'm using here white, and I will heat set it and then I will cut it down to this really thin strip. And I played around a little bit with the placement of that, but you can see how it looks. So I hope you enjoyed this short video with a sneak peek of some upcoming products. And until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!